Hey, ChatGPT,
Hello, how can I help you today?
how can I speak in English if I'm a total beginner?
If you're a total beginner, start by learning basic phrases and vocabulary that are used in daily conversations. Practice speaking them out loud and don't worry about making mistakes. Consistency is key, so try to practice a little every day. Watching English videos or listening to simple English podcasts can also help you get familiar with the language. Just remember, the more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become.
Well, I just want you to give me three best tips according to you, which are going to be very helpful for me to improve my speaking skills.
Absolutely. Here are three tips that can help you improve your English speaking skills. 1. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Try to speak a little every day, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror or narrating your daily activities in English. 2. Listen and repeat. Listen to native speakers through podcasts, movies, or songs and try to repeat what they say. This helps with pronunciation and rhythm. 3. Engage in conversations. Find opportunities to speak with others, whether it's language exchange partners, friends, or even online communities. The more you converse, the more natural speaking will become.
ChatGPT, what would you like to suggest my viewers to do?
Of course. Here's a message for your viewers. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to English with Bilal, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Also, share this with your friends who want to improve their English. Keep learning, keep growing, and let's speak English with confidence. How does that sound? Let me know if you want any changes.
Superb, that's superb.